Okay, today we got a Zenbook 14 from ASUS. We're gonna be doing a small repair. So you can see the battery port. He brought it on pieces. He brought the pieces in. He wanted me to fix it, but let's make it happen. Here you can see are the pieces. It is a really common problem with these computers. You gotta be really careful with these ports. When you're pulling out the battery connector, it's really easy to rip it off. So here we have, this is the positive terminal, as you can see. All good, all good, all good. And one of this is data and the other one is clock. So we gotta make sure they're stable and the rest is ground. So this is not too bad. I think we can fix this, no problem. Let me just do a little bit of adjusting. There you go. Way better. There you go. So we're gonna start changing the tip. We can make it with this. And the big question is, where did I put the part? This always happens to me. Right here. This we can do it with the board like this because there's no much in the middle. And we're not gonna apply too much heat to this. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make that pin harder. But okay. Since I can't find mine, gotta do something, right? There we go there. Okay, we have a situation right here. Ay, ay, ay. And we're fixing this because we don't have the connector. That's the thing. When you don't have the connector and you get the opportunity that is not so bad, then you do it, you know. But if you get the connector, it's way easier. Solid though. Okay. Clean the tip. Make sure your tip is clean all the time. It's really important. Okay. Let's apply a little bit more flux. Gotta get a fume extractor. See, there you go. And this little leg right here. Boom. Oh wow. I have to find a solution for that corner over there because, as you can see, it's already broken off. But I might be able to fix it. Let me see. Let's see. Okay, thing's fixed. Let's see if we can put it back. No, I'm not gonna waste my time with that. But what I want to do is I want to take a little bit of that one. Might not be, I might screw everything up here, but wow, leave it like that. And let's see if I can put this right here completely. gotta do a little more fun. It's gonna be hard for me to do this podcast and stuff because I usually will work in silence. I'm always quiet. Some customers complain that my store is really quiet, but it's what it is. Everyone is different though. That right here. Okay, so it seems perfect. Okay, let me see. Seems perfect. Well, after I connect it, I gotta check the pins, but I'm pretty sure this is perfect. See, do I got this shorter? Well, it's a Type C, so I should be able to use this one I have here. So it sees. Seems like it has power though. Okay, let me see. Yeah, right here. It's power. Yeah, everything is working. It has like an orange light. You guys might not be able to see it. Yeah, right here. Has the orange light. Our colleague didn't gave us the other parts for the computer. He just brought this, so that's all we have. Everything we have for it. That's all for today, guys. See you later.